I wanted to give some fair representation of our Whakatāne community, offer some different diverse thoughts, and because I've lived in Whakatāne my whole life, I'm passionate about our town, and I just want to bring some different and a little bit more insight into a lot of our Māori communities. So yeah, I believe I've got a blueprint. I've lived through the diversity that Whakatāne or likes of Ōhope bring, and I just want to also show our family and our whānau that if I can do it, anyone can do it. Working for Otamako Kaitiaki Trust, I have been amongst a lot of influential people here in Whakatāne. A lot of them are like our kaumātua from our maraes, and understanding the pūrākau or the stories of the area, bringing that to the table, and growing up disconnected from my culture to also now be reconnected to my identity as Māori, I think is going to be very useful for a lot of whānau and friends and family who are disconnected from their culture, and also being a part of society, you know, and how do you connect those dots, so to speak. Yeah, that's sort of what I want to bring to the table. Definitely need more innovative economic solutions, and how do we create more employment for our lower decile areas. How do we motivate, how do we stimulate our economy? I'm really interested in creating more innovative solutions in that department, and engagement. Engaging with communities in the low decile. Like I said, I'm pretty much the living, breathing example of how to make change. So yeah, just being an example for our family that if I can do it, well, whānau, you can do it too, you know.